Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this outdoor vintage farmhouse wall light. This is a huge upgrade to many porch lights, to many kind of walkway lights that people normally have. This thing looks very elegant and I highly recommend it. You just simply hardwire it in, and I'm going to show you the basic installation steps. I'm going to show you what it looks like once it's all done and installed, and then I'm going to tell you what I think about it. But overall, I really recommend this wall light. First things first, I have installed a mounting plate, so I used those 2 Phillips head screws and I just screwed that on. That's mounting plate is included. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put these wires through this hole right here. Next, as you can see, I have connected the white cables together using one of these cable connectors. I've also connected the black cables together, and then I've connected the ground cable from the light up to that other copper wire that's also connected to the ground screw right there. So once you got those 3 connections in place, it's time to go ahead and place this. Then you want to go ahead and put it like that. So now I went ahead and I tightened these included caps over the screw after placing the whole fixture onto those 2 screws that were sticking out of the mounting plate. Now it's just time to go ahead and put this thing on using this included socket set. So there it is. As you can see, I simply just screwed this on, and you can always move this around to adjust it if you like. Make sure it's level. So there is the light finally. Everything works great, and you can see just how elegant that looks. Overall, I highly recommend you get this light. It adds a very nice modern barn farmhouse style to your front patio, to your garage, to any different area where you need a light, and it's really elegant.